Hello everyone, welcome to LaTeX tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reference a table in the text of a LaTeX document. In my previous video, I created a table which involved both multi-row and multi-column elements. You can watch that video by clicking on the link shown in the top right corner right now, and I will leave the link of the same in the video description below. Let us now assume that I want to cross-reference this table in the text. In order to do that, I have to create a label for this table. A label is nothing but a key or an identifier to an environment. It can be a figure or it can be a table. For example, in this particular document, I will add a label immediately after the end tabular command. You can see now we have a key. A key is nothing but the identifier of the table. You can see that this table indicates student details. So what I will do here, I will replace the word key by table underscore stu underscore details. You can give whatever the key you want, but it would be better if you have a table also added to the corresponding label so that it becomes a lot easier to cross-reference. Now come back to the position where you want to cross-reference this table. Assume that I want to reference immediately after the end of the text created by the LaTeX package. Now to cross-reference, first and foremost, this is a table, so I'll write a word called as table itself. Then I will use the command /ref, which stands for reference. Press enter. Now you have the label here. So go to the table, go to the label line and copy the key of the corresponding table, which is nothing but the identifier. Come back to the place where you want to cross-reference it, remove this word label and paste the key. You can put a full stop here as per your requirement. Let us now save it and run the document. Right. Okay. You can now see here at the end of the junk text created by the LaTeX package, we have the word table 1. The number 1 is directly taken from the table number which we have just cross-referenced. You can in fact give labels to any number of tables you have created in your document and use the /reference command to cross-reference the table. If you have a unique identifier or a key assigned to the table, then you'll obtain the exact table number appearing in the text where you have cross-referenced. Right. That's about referencing or cross-referencing a table in a LaTeX document. If you liked this video, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on LaTeX tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.